This time, I'm introducing Nepenthes mirabilis var. Echinostoma. First of all, its leaves are distinctive. They have very soft leaves. Their leaf shape is also distinctive. These are leaves of Nepenthes bicalcarata. By comparison, the leaves of mirabilis var. Echinostoma have vertical lines. Will the leaves change as they grow? I'm looking forward to seeing how they change. The picture is still small, but there are several. First, I'll cut off the dead leaves. I'll sterilize the scissors with fire before cutting the leaves. It's now clean. Now, I'm ready to repot it. Remove it slowly so as not to damage the roots. Once removed from the pot, shake it in water to remove the old soil. It's now clean. The soil I'm using is Canuma soil. This time, I'm using a slightly larger Canuma soil. This is a comparison with the one I used previously. The reason I'm using a larger soil is to improve drainage and prevent overhumidity. I'm curious to see if changing the size affects growth, so I'll test it out. Sift the Canuma soil to remove any particles. Use a tall pot. Fill the pot with Canuma soil. Once it's filled to a certain extent, plant the Nepenthes. After adding the Canuma soil, cover it with coconut husk chips. This prevents the Canuma soil from running off when watering. Finally, water it from the top, and once the water running out from the bottom is clear, it's ready. The repotting is complete. About where to keep Nepenthes mirabilis var. Echinostoma. Humidity is kept at 80% or higher, and LED light is used for 8 hours a day. I'll be recording videos of Nepenthes mirabilis var. Echinostoma's growth in the future. If you're interested, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the videos. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like it. Please also check out these videos. Thank you for watching.